Okay, your epic outdoor exploits deserve epic footage, end of story. And these days, it doesn't even cost a fortune as long as you know how to find the best action cameras. Compared to your smartphone, these things take the footage to the next level. No more blurry videos, just 4K or higher footage combined with waterproofing and shock resistance. The very best models come with wide-angle lenses and robust batteries. Now just make sure to follow our links because they redirect you to the latest discounts. Let's get going. Number 5. Osmo Brave 8 Lite. We like to kick things off in the value-friendly domain, and this guide is no different. The model called the Osmo Brave 8 Lite is our top contender as the best value action camera. Considering the price tag, its 4K 60fps video capability is really a standout feature. We're talking about crisp and vibrant footage that you would typically expect from pricier models. This is all thanks to the Ambarella chip and 7G lens. These two work together to capture very clear images and videos. A feature we particularly appreciate is the HDR recording. This thing enhances the details in both bright and shadowy areas. It gives your videos a more natural and balanced look, perfect for capturing everything from sunny beach days to dusk hikes. Another plus is the super smooth tech. In plain terms, this tech is a mix of anti-shake components and an auto-smoothing algorithm. The result is silky smooth footage without a stabilizer. Amazing for the budget-conscious crowd, really. We should also mention the instant portrait switch. This feature uses a G sensor to toggle between selfies and action-packed scenes. The ultra-wide-angle lens can capture a 160-degree field of view, immersive shots guaranteed. Number 4. Insta360 Go 3S. Wow, action cameras are getting tiny. Just look at the Go 3S model from Insta360. This thing weighs 1.4 ounces, it's thumb-sized. Despite fitting into your pocket, it punches well above its weight. We're talking impressive 4K video capabilities and no distortion. Going through the features, we have to mention the MegaView FOV. This thing guarantees ultra-wide shots. And then on top of that, there's the flow state stabilization to keep your footage smooth and steady. You might be biking on a bumpy trail or running through city streets, it doesn't matter, your videos will look professional and polished. The magnetic design is another win feature too. You can mount the Go 3S just about anywhere. Coupled with a few neat accessories, you can get creative with angles that larger cameras can't manage. And then let's mention the Action Pod, a 2.2-inch flip screen for live previews and remote control. The battery life is 140 minutes. Considering how small this thing is, we are beyond impressed. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4. If you're into sports and you need a camera to keep up with your adrenaline-fueled activities, meet DJI Osmo Action 4. The cam delivers vivid and true-to-life colors. It offers a 10-bit color performance and D-Log M, which means you can capture the rich hues of a sunrise surf or the vibrant tones of a skate park at sunset. Your footage will pop, and that's the essence. But what really sets it apart for sports fans is the 1 and 1.3-inch sensor. It excels in low-light conditions, so if you're filming a dawn run or an evening bike ride, the clarity is just unmatched for an action camera in this range. The 4K 120fps videos combined with a 155-degree ultra-wide field of view. So, in short, high-resolution and expansive shots that pull viewers right into the action. It's perfect for capturing those epic skateboarding tricks or surfing waves. Switching from horizontal to vertical shots is very easy here. Just use the magnetic quick release feature. It allows you to adapt quickly to different filming scenarios. And since sports fans are often worried about shaky footage, the Osmo Action 4 has you covered. 3 stabilization modes, folks. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or capturing fast-paced sports, your video footage will remain stable and clear, guaranteed. Number 2. Insta360 X4. Now let's focus on the X4 model from Insta360. This thing takes action cameras to another level because it offers full-on 8K video capabilities. And yes, we are talking about 360-degree video in stunning 8K resolution. Just wow! This cam isn't just about capturing moments, it's about reliving them as vividly as they happened. Your hike or bike rides will record every branch, every leaf, and every single pebble as if you were right there again. Also, the 5.7K at 60fps setting delivers pretty smooth motion, which is perfect for those fast-paced action shots. One of our favorite features is the active HDR. It makes sure that your colors remain vibrant and true to life even when you're up and running on the move. The invisible selfie stick effect is also pretty cool. It's sort of like having a personal drone or film crew following you but without any obstruction in your shot. The X4 doesn't disappoint in the stability department either. The flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock make sure of it. Your videos will stay buttery smooth regardless of how bumpy the ride gets. The design is pretty rugged too. You might be climbing mountains or skateboarding through city streets. It's robust enough to take it all like a champ. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12. And now the time has come to meet the GoPro Hero 12, the best action camera and the clear winner for today. Let's start with the fantastic 5.3K video resolution. This feature means you get 91% more detail than standard 4K and 665% more than 1080p. Wow! This kind of clarity means capturing every splash, jump, every dive, and stunning detail. You might be filming a family vacation or a solo adventure, it's all good. Now, the High Dynamic Range feature, or HDR, takes your photos and videos to another level because it balances light and shadow. In regular terms, it means whether you're filming at sunset or in a bright snowfield, the GoPro Hero 12 adjusts the color to pop, while shadows retain their depth at all times. No more washed-out footage. We should not forget the Emmy-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Even if you're biking on rugged trails or skiing down steep slopes, the footage will look as smooth as if it were on rails. It's this kind of quality that sets the GoPro apart from your budget-friendly models. The design is rugged and waterproof, ready and willing for any adventure from kayaking to mountain climbing. The Hero 12 can withstand depths up to 33 feet. Fantastic stuff, a thumbs up from us. That would be all for this one, folks. Tell us in the comments now. Are you looking for an action camera for sports or for city hustle? Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and happy filming!